It's a wet one today, folks.
Yeah!
We're gonna set up this canopy we just bought and hopefully get dry a little bit, but it's gonna be rainy the whole time we're here. So get ready for that. This is Redwood National Park. Aha! Upgrades! That would be my brother Luke, and this is his wife Olivia. You might remember them from our Utah road trip earlier this year, but this time around, Kira and I picked them up from the San Francisco airport and are going to check off another 3 national parks, starting with Redwood. Oh, 13 down, 50 to go.
So we get a lot of widowmakers when it rains.
Really?
Yeah, even when it's not raining, these trees come down. I mean, so just be extremely cautious. These are big old trees.
Yeah. Okay, good.
Yeah.
We just got some help from the park ranger, and we're gonna do the Karl Knapp trail into the foothills trail, do a loop through the old growth forest in the central part of the park. And actually the Redwood National Park and state parks are all combined into this one huge reserved area. So we're gonna explore as much as possible, but we're gonna do a 2-mile hike right now. Excited to hike in the rain?
Yeah, I am actually. This is such a vibe.
I don't know if I've ever actually hiked in the rain.
Never?
Like an actual hike, like multiple miles? I don't think so.
Here we go.
All right, Luke, what are you most excited for on this hike?
On this hike, I'm excited to see some tall trees. Never seen redwood, and we're gonna go see some.
All right, Liv, you're up.
Other than see redwoods, I'm excited to see the thick undergrowth of our primitive forests.
Whoa. Kira?
I'm excited to see some fog in the trees with some mountain layers. It's beautiful.
Me, you ask? I think I'm most excited to share the moment with some of my favorite people. In 1850, gold was found in Northwest California, and the rush was on. Conveniently for them, massive forests of redwood trees allowed them a seemingly infinite amount of building material. As greed took over in the next century, the redwood forest was dwindling fast, and by the 1960s, almost 90% of the original redwoods were gone. With the tremendous effort from local activists and state parks, in 1968, President Lyndon B. Johnson established Redwood National Park, setting aside 72,000 acres of redwood forest to be protected. The sheer size of these redwoods are one of those things that you just need to actually see in person to believe. They are the tallest species of tree in the entire world, with the tallest, named Hyperion, standing at a staggering 380 feet tall, and was discovered in 2006 in none other than Redwood National Park. However, it is extremely inaccessible to the general public, and in fact, you can actually go to jail if you try and find it, most likely due to the impact that visitors leave behind. All right, we're a bit wet, but we made it 2 miles. Absolutely incredible hike.
Yeah.
Saw some huge trees.
Yeah, we
Some
did.
as tall as 300 feet and 1,500 years old. Some older. Luke, did we fulfill your dream?
It was incredible. Some trees were 28 feet in diameter.
Oh.
And, huge, huge.
Liv, did we fulfill your dream?
Yeah, felt like we were in the prehistoric, like dinosaur time, just waiting
Yep.
to see a centaur pop out of the water.
Yeah. Karen, did we get yours?
Much fog, much beauty.
Yep.
Yes.
And I got to share it with these folks. So we nailed it. We nailed it. We're gonna go cook up some vittles now Let's get to it.
You guys aren't ready, actually.
All right, Luke.
Spice Boys! Sorry.
All right, Luke. For the chicken, we've got two options. We've got a taco barbacoa blend, or we've got a barbecue. Or we got a barbecue Badlands rub, smoky, sweet, and spicy. What do you think?
Gotta go with let's go sweet and spicy Badlands, Fargo, North Dakota. All right.
Heck yeah. That's
Big
good.
Deck Barbecue. Here we go.
There we go. Badlands rub. Let's do it.
Don't say that 3 times fast.
Wash them up now. I need a new pan.
It's new.
Gross. There is one absolute when traveling with Luke and Liv. You will never miss a sunset.
So when I was little, I hope I was little, somebody once told me that the sea foam there, that's actually what they would take and reprocess and put into Three Musketeers. So I never ate them growing up, but now I think they're just lying to me. So
Yep.
I was happy.
Oh, it's coming in! Run! You didn't run very fast.
Kinda earned it.
Gonna get me? I thought I was faster than that.
Oh, good morning, everybody. It looks so sick out here right now. It's not raining, so that's a plus. I just checked, it's not supposed to rain all day, which is sick because we thought it was gonna rain all day. So we are gonna try to get through as much as possible. It's a great morning, it's gonna be a great day. Good morning. So by now we've gathered that the Pacific coast just always has a lot of fog. But what we didn't know is that redwood trees actually get 40% of their water from fog. I mean, I knew it was some amount, but 40% is crazy. Kira, where are we going?
We're going to Fern Canyon.
Fern Canyon, and I'm in Berks because both my other shoes are sopping wet, so we're killing it.
I don't want to get my shoes wet.
Cool, here. Alright. Gotta keep those shoes dry.
The canyon can be experienced in a 1-mile loop hike, which is what we did, or you can just walk in and out. It's honestly meant to be fairly leisurely and just enjoy the scenery.
Hang on, sweetie.
We've discovered why it's called Fern Canyon. It's literally a canyon of ferns. Do you have anything to say of this wonderful place?
This is magical. This is probably one of the coolest places I've ever been, ever. Like, the way the sun's coming through the trees, it's just so lush with those ferns. It's just, it's cool.
Matches your color palette too.
It really does. Maybe that's why it resonates so much.
Oh yeah.
A slug?
A slug.
Where? Oh, look.
It's a banana slug.
Whoa.
Pretty fast.
We ended up seeing these banana slugs everywhere. Fun fact, they can actually grow up to 7 inches long. We also got to spot the majestic Roosevelt elk, which is actually the largest of the elk species. All right, who's hungry? Let's do it. I'm also gonna add some of this wing dust stuff. We got Nashville hot chicken and garlic parm.
Precious soldier.
Spill.
Tasting a little bit of the Nashville hot. Put a little bit of wing dust on it. This is very good. Remember what I said about Luke, Liv, and sunsets? Go, go, go! Whoa! Whoa!
We're heading east.
Eastbound.
Heading west.
Westbound. Wow! Wow!
Good find, Liv.
We're wrapping up our time in Redwood National Park with a sunset at Wedding Rock. Absolutely blast of a trip here to Redwoods, and we'll definitely be coming back. But tomorrow, we got Crater Lake.
Go.
You guys ready?
Oh, yeah.
All right. We're gonna sit and enjoy this, but we'll see you tomorrow in Crater Lake. Let's go. Okay, so headlamps, right? Figured this out recently. The red light is not just a party light. It's actually, oh, Olivia, do you know?
It's so that you don't lose your night vision.
That's exactly right. Ding, 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 ding. It's so you don't lose your night vision, because red light doesn't affect your night vision or whatever. I still don't know what the blinky red is, but that's what the red light's for. So have that on, you can still work with your hands, but not lose your night vision when looking out into the forest. Get out of here. He's confident. He's walking right up. This dude.